Hey everyone, have you ever looked at your laptop and felt like it was holding back because there wasn't enough screen area, even though you thought it was nice, maybe even great? The Asus Zenbook Duo 2026 aims to remove that precise annoyance, and it accomplishes so in a manner that seems much more sophisticated and assured than any of its predecessors. With actual next-generation Intel processors and a more refined design that finally feels mature rather than experimental, this most recent version expands on the dual display notion. The Zenbook Duo is obviously not pursuing ultra-thin minimalism at first glance. There will inevitably be some additional thickness because the entire second display is integrated into the chassis. Nevertheless, Asus has done a fantastic job of maintaining the weight. With the detachable keyboard included, it weighs about 1.65 kilos, which is remarkably light for a device with so many features. Asus's ceralaluminum material, a combination of ceramic and aluminum that feels lightweight and incredibly robust, is used to make the chassis. Even after extensive daily usage, it usually maintains a clean, high-end appearance and is resistant to scratches and fingerprints. It's refreshingly fully connected. HDMI 2.1 for high-resolution monitors, a full-size USB-A connector for legacy devices, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports for quick data, charging, and external displays, and a dedicated headphone jack are all included. Instead of feeling like a dongle-dependent ultra-portable, the Zenbook Duo feels like a legitimate work machine thanks to its port variety. Face Unlock makes it easy and quick to log in, and smart attentiveness features can lower the screen or put the laptop to sleep if it senses that you've moved away. The true stars of the show are the displays. 2 identical 14-inch Lumina Pro screens with a sharp 2880 by 1800 resolution and a 16:10 aspect ratio are used by Asus. They produce high contrast, deep blacks, and vivid yet accurate colors since they enable Dolby Vision HDR and span the whole DCI-3 color gamut. Additionally, both screens have a smooth refresh rate of 144 Hz, which is ideal for gaming, animations, and scrolling. This year, the detachable keyboard's battery life has significantly increased. It lasts about 5 hours at full backlight brightness, 12 hours at lower brightness levels, and an amazing 50+ hours when the backlight is completely off. It is directly charged from the laptop when it is attached, and it may be recharged via USB connector on the keyboard itself when it is detached. With Intel's Core Ultra X9 series 3 Panther Lake processor, the Zenbook Duo 2026 makes significant advancements under the hood. In addition to up to 32 gigs of fast LPDDR5X memory and performance scaling up to 45 watts, this offers a much improved GPU and NPU over the previous iteration. Even with many programs distributed across both panels, multitasking feels effortless in regular use. Wi-Fi 7 support further contributes to stable performance. The 2026 model excels in battery life as well. The Zenbook Duo can easily provide more than 12 hours of mixed use with both panels active thanks to its sizable 99 watt-hours battery. This is remarkable for a dual laptop since it allows for browsing, music streaming, movie viewing, and creative work. Additionally, Asus offers battery health tools to help prolong battery life, and a 100-watt power adapter is provided for quick charging. So the Asus Zenbook Duo 2026 seems to be the most polished and assured implementation of the dual-screen laptop concept yet. It's adaptable, powerful, and really useful for work and play, especially for people who enjoy multitasking. It doesn't seem like a novelty, but rather a well-thought-out instrument whose unique design is justified by practical benefits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.